Aurangzeb, thank you so much for coming to Open today. This is a platform that you have been at this platform before. What do you like about Open?
First of all, thank you, Farhan. Great opportunity, and it's great to see all the crowds and all the excitement here today. I've supported Open for a very long time. It's a great chance to meet fellow entrepreneurs, share ideas, look at opportunities, both in the corporate world and in the ecosystem, and meet bright new people who are joining the workforce and early in their career. So all in all, just a very positive experience.
Thank you so much. And Open has been working with you in the past. You have mentored many startups as well. So we're very grateful for that as well. Can you talk a little about your company, Altia Systems? Congratulations for the acquisition.
Thank you.
This is your fourth firm. Can you talk a little bit about the deal? How did this deal happen? What was the background negotiations or
Sure,
nights?
happy to do it. Well, startups and sleepless nights go together. So that's, but we had been growing quite strongly. So we now last year had about 1,600 companies around the world using our product, and we had just gone to market to raise a new round of funding, an expansion round to grow the business, and along so we wanted to bring in some new technology, and we felt we had pioneered a lot of work in intelligent video. We wanted to integrate intelligent audio, and so we talked to a number of companies who were good in that space to see if we could collaborate to build a new class of products. And along the way, GN felt very good about the opportunity with us and made an unsolicited preemptive bid to acquire the company. Now we've had other folks interested in the company for a while, and as you know, it's a tricky thing. So we looked at the team. I went to meet the key folks in Copenhagen, and I actually became very excited. I felt very good about what they were doing, and the cultural fit to us is excellent. The complementarity is excellent, and so far it's just been a fantastic journey forward.
Sure, and that actually is a good way to lead me into my next question, is about the cultural fit.
Yeah.
How is your company adopting to it? Of course, Jabra is based out of Copenhagen, you're based out of here in the Silicon Valley. What similarities do you see between the two firms, and where did you find a little bit of challenge, and how did you address that?
Yeah, so the Jabra folks are a market leader in unified communications and also in consumer products. They've been winning a lot of awards. Their products are very successful. The headphones and earbuds and things of this kind. The Speak series in particular is very popular with unified communications. When we met with the leadership team there, and we actually had a long process going back now more than 4 months of getting to know each other and getting to understand the culture, as well as complete deep due diligence on the opportunity, technology opportunity and the business opportunity. It became very clear that they are passionate about what they do. They deeply care about innovation. They're very good at innovation. And they, similar to us, focused a lot on building industry leadership products, delighting customers. And so all of the values that the DNA felt very compatible to who we are and how we're growing. They are actually a very well-established European brand. The company's going to complete its 150th year this year. So it's a very long-standing company, storied successes, and it shows in their culture and how they conduct themselves. And they felt very good about our culture. Classic Silicon Valley, very much focused on innovation, very much focused on disruption and changing and creating new opportunities through that disruption. So we're going to continue forward. We're building a global center of excellence for intelligent vision in the Valley. We're going to expand our footprint. And so the best news is the whole team continues forward. And it's a liquidity event, but it's also a new chapter in our growth in driving intelligent vision to the market.
Aurangzeb, can you talk a little bit about the transition that you made from being a corporate executive into deciding to start up your own company, and then what advice would you give to aspiring entrepreneurs, especially in those same shoes, who are working for firms and thinking, this is a great idea, I should really pursue this?
Yes, well, I've actually done that a couple of times, been with big companies and started new companies, got acquired back into a big company and so on. And I just say the first thing is, go explore, go meet people, go discuss the idea, see if, you can bring together a group of like-minded founders to take that idea forward. Open's a great event. There are many other events in Silicon Valley. That's one of the wonderful things about being in the Valley, is it's a naturally inclusive, diverse culture, which brings together a lot of aspiring people who try new things. So the first thing is, try. And then the second is, I know Naeem's doing a session here for startups. You want to work with some folks who can help you answer or shape the basic questions you're going to get, so you're better prepared for fundraising. In my own case, the interest was always in building a venture scale company, and that meant that it had to have growth potential to be funded as a venture investment. So those are a couple of things, and then once you shape those and you find that there are gaps in your team or in your knowledge, there's a whole group of people around Open who can help fulfill those needs.
Sure, thank you. I think this last question I'm going to do is going to be sort of a fun question. It's going to be speed dating round. I'm going to ask you a few questions and see which ones you like. Cricket or football?
Cricket.
Cricket. Pepsi or Coke?
Pepsi.
Burger or biryani?
Biryani.
San Francisco or Lahore?
That's tough. I like them both, but a lot of good memories from Lahore.
All right. Do you watch Game of Thrones?
No, actually don't.
I haven't watched. All right. Thank you so much, Aurangzeb, for being with us here today.
Pleasure.
And we look forward to working with you in future as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.